So hi friend, this is Amit and here I am going to provide you the information regarding VIT integrated MTech information regarding the VIT integrated course, that is PCM marks, that is PCM percentage versus all branch. What you can get, it is how much PCM percentage should be there to get the different type of branch in VIT Vellore, VIT Chennai, AP and Bhopal campus with different type of branch category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will discuss everything. So before starting this video, I would like to inform you the minimum percentage required for Vellore and Chennai campus is 70. For general EWS OBC, for SC ST it is 60%. It is 10% relaxation minimum that should be there, then only you will get the admission. And in case of Amravati and Bhopal, it is 65% for general EWS OBC and minus 10% for SC ST and Kashmiri migrant northeastern student, that is 55% only. That is 10% reduction is there for SC ST and Kashmiri migrants as well as northeastern state student. So hope you get my point clearly. So let's start the video with VIT AP score versus branch. So CSC in collaboration with Bhartusa, there is a branch that will be available at 82% with category 1 and software engineering will be available around 79. Means if you have at least this, you will get the college through the counseling process. For that I will be guiding you one to one. If you want, you can take my guidance so that your admission will be 100% secured. And as you can check the number on the screen, but only if you want to pay the amount, that is guidance charge, that is very nominal charge. Once you pay, I will guide you starting from now until your admission is done. So category 2, 78 and 74, that is CSC in collaboration with Bhartusa and software engineering. Category 3, 73 and 70, category 4, 67 and 66, category 5 you will able to get at 65 also, because category 5 fee is high. And what is the fee structure also I will show you in my next video, or on the screen you can check sideways. I will show you the fee structure for category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the information is at 65. I am providing a strict marks because even if you have 55 or less than 65, you can get the seat. But if you are from SC ST or from the Kashmiri migrant or northeastern student, because for those students 10% relaxation is there, but for general EWS OBC 65 is minimum that you should have to get Bhopal and Amravati. Otherwise, even if there is seat left, they will not provide you below 65. Hope you get my point. VIT Chennai cutoff, here is the information. CSC specialization in data science, 86% required to get category 1 and software engineering 82. Category 2, 82 and 78. So what you should select, Chennai, DS or Vellore or AP or Bhopal, better campus or better branch or better category, because you need to save the money also. So to get everything correctly, it is better campus, better slab, better that is better slab means better fee slab means category, and better branch. I will guide you for that so that you will get the best branch, best category as well as best campus also, so that your future of engineering career will be better. And category 3, 77, 74, category 4, 72, 71 and category 5 up to 70 you will get, because in Chennai up to 70 only you have the chance, because 70 is the cutoff marks, and below 70 if you have, then if you are from SC ST, then only you will able to get, that is below 70 but above 60. Now I will discuss about the VIT Bhopal. So here is the information. Cutoff, here you can check, as I am providing the number again and again, but that is only for complete counseling guidance. If you want, then only contact me, as I am guiding the student from last 6-7 years for all the VIT courses through VIT EEE examination as well as for integrated course also. So if you want, you can contact me in the description. All the information are available. So now the next thing is category 1, 80% marks is required for data science in VIT, and software engineering 76, cyber security 78. Category 2, 76, 72, 74, that is for data science, software engineering, cyber security respectively. For category 3, 72, 68 and 70. Category 4, 69, 66 and 67. Category 5, 66, 65 and 65 again, because 65 is the minimum marks. If you are from SC, ST or Kashmiri migrants, you can get at 60 also, because for those students cutoff is less. And here I would like to inform you again, better counseling will help you to get the best out of your rank, because you will get a rank based on this score. I am providing you a score because as of now they haven't provided us rank. Based on this PCM score, that is whatever is your score If you have applied, you will get a merit rank on 4th of June, and after that the choice filling will start. So if you want my guidance, you can register with me beforehand, so that on that day I will guide you one to one. Now the Vellore campus, that is the main campus. CSE, a specialization in data science, category 1 92, software engineering 89, CSE in collaboration with Virtusa 87% required. Category 2 87, 84, 82, that is the specialization CSE, that is data science, software engineering, and in collaboration with Virtusa. And category 3 84, 81, 78, category 4 81, 77, 75, category 5 76, 72, and 70, because 70 is the minimum. Below that you will not able to get if you're from general, EWS, OBC. If you're from SC ST, you can get at 65 also. So as I told you, VIT is a unique type of counseling. Here you will get only one chance. So to do the counseling very carefully, you can register with my guidance. I will do that, so that you will get the best out of your score and merit rank. Hope you get my point clearly. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.